Okay, students, let's do this question. Bisectors of angle ABC and ACB of triangle meet at O. Show that angle BOC equals to 90 degree plus half of A. Now you can see in this triangle what is given. A triangle ABC is given, and this BO, you can see BO bisects angle B, that is this angle and this, they both are equal. Similarly, CO also bisects angle C, that means angle 2 and this portion is also, this angle is also equal. Now we need to show the relation between this angle and this, okay, that is angle BOC. This angle is equals to 90 plus half of angle A. So what we are going to do in triangle ABC, first we are going to use angle sum property. Forget about these two angles, okay, just see angle A, triangle ABC. In this you can write angle A plus angle ABC plus CACB equals to 180 degree, that is angle sum property. Okay, now ABC plus ACB equals to 180 minus angle A. Okay, so we will transfer this angle A. This angle A will be transferred this side and it will be minus A. Now since we need 90 degree, so we can see that if I divide 180 by 2, I will get 90. So I will divide both sides by 2. Okay, on dividing these sides by 2, what will you get? Half of angle ABC plus half of angle ACB equals to 180 divided by 2 minus half of angle A. Okay, now in figure you can see ABC. This is ABC. Okay, so half of ABC I can write angle 1. So in place of half of ABC I have written angle 1. Similarly, you can see that is half of angle ACB, that is half of this angle equals to angle 2. So in place of this I have written half of angle 2. Now 180 divided by 2, I will get 90 minus half of angle A. Okay, we need to mention here that is half of ABC equals to angle 1 and half of ACB is equals to angle 2. So this we have done and this is our equation 1. But in triangle BOC, okay, now come to this triangle BOC, using angle sum property, what we can write? Angle 1 plus 2 plus BOC. Angle 1 plus 2 plus BOC equals to 180 degree, that is again angle sum property. But if you compare equation 1 and this, we need the value of angle 1 plus 2. So from this I can write angle 1 plus 2 equals to, I will transfer this on the left and right hand side and I will get angle 1 plus 2 equals to 180 minus angle BOC. Okay, now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, this is your equation, this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. I will put value of 1 plus 2, angle 1 plus 2 in this place and I will get 180 minus angle BOC is equals to 90 minus half of angle A. Okay, now this 90 I can transfer this side, so I will get 180 minus 90 plus half of angle A. This half of angle I have also transferred on the left hand side and this minus BOC is transferred on, it is transferred on right hand side. Okay, so I shift all these values, 180 minus 90, I will get 90, half angle A equals to BOC. I hope you understand. Okay, so in this what you need to do, again we will revise it. See, first you need to take triangle ABC. In this we are going to use angle sum property. From this we are going to find the values of these two angles, that is sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 minus angle A. Now we will divide this equation by 2. After dividing this equation by 2, we will get angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 90 minus half of angle A. Now we are going to use triangle BOC. Use this triangle BOC and find the value of angle 1 plus 2 using angle sum property and then put these values in equation 1 and you will get the answer.